Yo, what is good, everybody? Body. Yo, what is good, everybody? Hey, it is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. I don't know. Oh man, today is not gonna be lit cause what we doing today, Todd?
Pulling the car back?
Bruh.
I guess.
No man, we are going to clean this garage, y'all. If y'all don't know, you know, this is my pop's garage, and yeah, we have a lot of junk in here that we brought from my house. So we're gonna have to clean this thing up, man, because if y'all don't know, we are going to paint my C10 over there, y'all. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to clean everything out. My sister, she the one that really pushed me to do this video. I didn't want to do it because I'm like, this is a car channel. Don't nobody want to see me clean my garage. But hey, she said, hey, if they your subscribers, man, they gonna want to see whatever you put out there. So hey, we gonna, I guess, do some time lapse. We're gonna put some stuff up there in the attic, man. We're gonna try to get all this mess off and over here. Try to clean it up as best we can so we can have some room to put Big Red up in there and get it painted, y'all. So sit back, relax, get some popcorn, and I guess watch us clean this garage. I hope this be good, y'all. I hope it be good.
Don't worry, don't fret. Trust God, man.
Let's go.
Why are you running?
Because I want to get it done.
Oh my God, he on X Games mode.
Hey yo, what the?
I feel like we got it.
Oh my goodness. Alright guys, as y'all see, we got everything out on this side. We're gonna try to attack one side at a time. Taj ain't been doing nothing, he just been playing basketball. But now we're gonna go ahead and knock out all these leaves. The reason why all these leaves got on here is because our garage was broke. Taj, I did ask you for some help. Don't be trying me like that. But
Oh my God.
Help! Police! Help!
right, like I said, the reason why we got so many leaves out here is because our garage door was broken. So yeah, now we're gonna have to get all this stuff done because we did get the garage door fixed. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, let's go. Take it up there in pieces.
But I'm not gonna do it. Just follow here and both all the
I need help. Well, all right, guys, what do you think? Hey, I think I did a good job, man, compared to where it was before. Hey, and the most ultimate comment was from my dad. He said, hey, I ain't seen this garage look this good since we first got the house. So, man, hey, what you think, man? The reason why I really wanted to do this is, number one, you know, to have the space for when I do paint the truck, man. I got so much space, if you can see, you know what I'm saying, compared to before. Even if I have to just take out those bikes on that side and just cover up the toolbox and everything when I do paint, man, I got a lot more room. And plus, this light right here hidden, boy. I put it on the 2015. Perfect. Golly. I put it on the wall, you know what I'm saying, because I just didn't want the light coming from up top. We got this light coming from up top, so I just want to try it over there. I think it looks pretty good. I might try to put one over here somewhere. I don't know, because, you know, these things can be temporarily, you know, moved and stuff like that. You can have them on hangers or whatever. That side, it might need one too, just to have this thing lit up, y'all. Lit up. But hey, I know this video ain't my usual type of videos, but man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? I got some stuff coming up. It's a sneak peek to some of the stuff I got coming up. You know what I'm saying? Some stuff I got going on, man. Y'all know C10 content coming soon, y'all. Just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you got that notification bell click so you can know when your boy dropping them bangers, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Once again, I thank y'all for, you know, rocking with your boy. Make sure you hit that like button. Man, I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych! Something about this biscuit. Something about this biscuit. It is the best biscuit